Why don't I prank my partner?
Alright guys, wish me luck.
Well, turn this shit off! You need to turn it off!
What is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be something very special for you guys. I posted on my Instagram story if you guys want to see pranks, if you guys want to see a little bit more of Crazy Artie. And you guys voted yes you do. So I thought of this genius idea. AB doesn't have a car right now. We're supposed to go to McLaren dealership in Beverly Hills to look at a 570S. Why don't I prank my partner? So plot of the video goes something like this. I hope it works out. No guarantees. My Mercedes is dirty as hell. Prior to going to a McLaren dealership with bird poop all over my Mercedes, I'm gonna tell him, bro, let's go through an $8 car wash the car so he could pull up looking at least normal, not in a shitted up Mercedes trying to buy a $250,000 car. So we're gonna go through an $8 car wash. But what I want to do is, I want to drop the windows on the car and get him soaking wet. I know him, this has been my friend of many years. He is going to flip shit. I know he's very short fused, and something like that's gonna get him wet and we're actually not gonna be able to continue on with our date to go to a dealership. I don't know what his reaction gonna be, but I know he's gonna be pissed off at me. Hopefully he won't kill me. I'm doing this for you guys, so in return, watch this video, share this video, subscribe, give us as many thumbs up as you can. Love you guys, let's roll.
Yo guys, so I just got in the car, about to go pick up AB, actually pulling up a little bit, picking him up from his friend's house. I set up all the GoPros, so he thinks we're about to do a vlog about going and hopefully picking up his new ride, but that will go south real quick, as hopefully he gets wet. I'm more worried about my car, to be honest with you guys, because if this car floods inside, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Let me call up AB. See where he at. Yeah, I'm pulling up. Come out.
Which side are you pulling up from?
Right here on the right side. I see you. Cross the street. Alright guys. Wish me luck. Yo, if I get punched, I better get a lot of views on this shit if I'm getting punched. Because I don't know. So, where the homie? You!
What up, what up? What's going on, bro?
Nothing. I'm about to whip a McLaren tonight. What's going on over here?
I can't wait. Nothing, bro. I'm tired of Ubering already, bro.
Uber sucks.
Yeah. A few moments later.
We're here, and you were worried.
Oh, that's quick.
As long as they don't have a line, because if they have a line, then I don't know.
Doesn't look that busy.
Yeah. If they have a line, I guess we won't go, bro. But no, they don't have a line. It's good. We're cool.
Why is this guy coming out of the entrance?
I don't know. He's confused a little bit. But we're here, man. Relax. Stay dry. Don't be sweating, bro.
I want to get to the dealer, bro. I want to get to the dealership. I need this shit.
Figure out which one has the best
Don't be cheap.
wash. Nah.
Please wait while we verify.
Wheel, yeah, tire shine.
Welcome to. Please select a code. Please select extra services, and then select the finish selecting button. Please insert cash or card. The credit card you provided has failed to operate.
Damn, bro, my car doesn't work.
The card
Bro, will my car be clean? No car wash? Oh, hold on.
Please insert cash or card.
Yeah, everything's cool. We're good. These car washes are good. Did you see the, what's it called, Drake challenge Will Smith did?
No.
You should check it out. Huh?
Galaxy S9, S9 Plus.
Will Smith is the shit, bro. Not because I'm from Philly, but I just love Will Smith. Check it out. Check this out.
See, this is social media love right here.
Bro, he's on the roof, bro. But yeah, well, the amount of.
What the hell, bro? Turn this shit off! Idiot, turn it off! Dumbass, bro.
Bro, I got contacts, bro. Come on. Oh.
Stupid idiot. Big man.
You look good, bro.
Dumbass, bro.
Clean as shit now, bro.
Idiot.
Yeah, bro. Why you dog? You clean, bro.
I just took a shower.
Oh, yo, can you grab a towel and at least clean my dashboard, bro? It's a free one.
Clean your own dashboard, piece of shit. Now wait, bro. Where are we gonna go?
In your polo boxers. You're like, bro,
You're an idiot, but I surely got. What do you can think of something stupid like this?
listen. Look at you, bro. Open the mirror, look at yourself.
I'm looking at myself.
Your Rolex is shining, bro.
Good thing it's waterproof.
Is it?
Wow.
Where's my phone? Let me record you real quick.
No, don't record me. Dumbass.
Bro, it ain't that bad. Relax.
Really? Look at my look at this. I think your car's worse, but look at this.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Screw you. Screw you, man.
Bro, watch out for the camera, bro. It ain't that bad, bro.
Oh no, it's awesome. It's awesome. What up, guys?
I just got washed. He just got hand washed.
Yeah, I just got hand washed, as you can see. You know, right here. Nice and hand washed.
Bro, I got him, and that's all that matters. I told you I was gonna try to do some crazy shit, and I did it. We won. They were in on it. They knew it.
Yeah, but now I'm on wait.
Because you were thinking I was gonna do a McLaren intro, but I did a car wash intro. Alright guys, hope you like this.
I guess I got pranked, man. But
schooled,
let me
bro.
tell you something, guys. Payback is gonna be a pain in the ass. I don't want to go too much with my, words, but he's not gonna like it. So, guys, let me tell you something. Subscribe to our channel because you're gonna see a lot more of this coming. Because I think this is never gonna be a never-ending situation with this. So, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you next time.